Hey, Aro chapter 1 verse 2. Church Agbasalaa. Church Agbasalaa. Hey, no bakwa. Yabo, Ogojugo, na the same people. Ogojugo, na the same people. Hey, nda akwa ngafe my bus stop. Nda akwara go mkwofe my bus stop. Amazim sign who goes under my house. Hey, nothing you won't tell me. No. Nothing you won't tell me, no matter how you will bend it. If you are a Christian, a true child of the Most High God, a real child of God, who believe that name with hell, where heaven, who believe a day like this will come, that is the sign of the last day, who believe Naogi Bazuna Abia, when you will not even trust your pastor, you will not even trust your bishop or your pope or your priest. Hey, how you won't take bend this thing? Nah, priest may bless same-sex marriage. Let us analyze it. What is the meaning of same-sex? Maybe I not go to university, I not go to school. Maybe I may interpret it. Same says. Now, same. Ode no ode. Now, wanye na wanye. Mwoke na mwoke. Wanya same. The same. Nde Arab na same. Yeah, yes, the same thing. So, ina chebam na wanye. No, okay, kwa ni me ofuma. Maybe na okay speed. May bless. Get the difference between bless or prayer. I know about the Catholic. I want to like Hebrew Kanisi, especially Catholic of Africa and Nigeria. I'm a born Catholic. Can I joke today? Nah, not theory. Man, no. More about you, I'm from Nanibo. Mom Nanibo, na Biafra land. Mom na Bishop Shonaham Memorial Hospital in Soka. Mom Brody, Bobro Yarambara. Namkuserem neya baro like also means 10 commandments of Moses. 10 commandments of Moses ebu no ocho ara munya made emene yon ko nwa yebe na nyoku emene nka ife na ka yenye gba mi chiko ozo asukwa ye mekwana nka. So that is to say all born as same says that same blessing of same. Oh, if I mere eji we bibie Sodom and Gomorrah. People forget history in a hurry. Sodom and Gomorrah, may be able to when angel came down from heaven, Sodom, because no high priest. Do you know that a pope is not God? Now watch the same pope where because I'm a Christian. I'm a Catholic, but I cannot believe this. Muhammad support where original Pope Francis within 2 years or 3 years, even within 1 year, a mere sense. Cathedral, with a parish here. St. Francis in the St. Francis in the Francis in Kesrai, Pabi Kumoke. The reason why Pope Benedict to resign on how resign oh yeah. Manu de here no non such naked. Come on, you are a Christian. And then a book at easy must say come on ye Bible say you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. What will set you free on the last day but the truth? You might be a chronic sinner. You might be a rejected person. You might be a sinner. But what will save you on the last day with truth? He that call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Not he that call upon a man. We worship man in this life. We worship man too much. That's the reason why Pope Yejiku as a no China who name is interpreted Pope. Oh, when it goes to Wakawa, no, then we keep blessed. I don't know. What are you trying to do? Get again, I don't know. Blessing of same-sex marriage, he bless, what can I work here? This is the message Prophet Nathan Onyamuma Juwe with David say David, you are a man after God's heart. My name is Mebu. Oto Hegu, because now David is a king. Oto Hegu, David will keep Moku Ezoku. Oto Hegu, Oto Mehe Nihu, where see I read the Oromunya Madanara. I don't go around your mother, no, but anyway, send the idea ni Hogo, dear Jogo, Mabue, and Mehe de boy Meraro. David will darana. How long shall we keep fear? I cannot do it with where no matter what it may bring, no matter what it may result. So here at the what can I work it was into Abby? Now, it's like the Palace of Justice, you know now. Palace of Justice now I say congratulations, Palace of Justice, where's Okongo Dibia? Mobase, Abalanzo Keke, where's Trachana Wokedi? Keko is that, yeah. Oh, Trachana Wokedi. Oh, as that Trachana Wokedi, where's Mazidibia? You know, how does it sound? You know, or about woke and why they make love. And now no ringing tone. Or now the ringing tone they make a new say so. Now, how will it be? Na traditional wokedi. Na Abalance, Germany. Na no dinner way. Okay, maybe not traditional wokedi, but okay. So you know, no, Abalance that no dinner when you I say, yeah, I cook that. Instead of 8 days in done. I'm just analysis, you know. Hey, Arubaru na Christendom. Ta! Nothing you want tell me. Anybody better than my inbox, Coral Beach, another blocking those. But because when we keep Waro, support Waro, and my children cannot be part of Waro. No matter the Waro Sibia. When I want to be a milky, Moka will America. So does it mean that Pope be me? Pope be human being, no one with flesh and blood. Or bro sent. On a major Chuku, or your major Chuku, Chineka Bagare. I am a Mesosia Chuku. I have Zio Yabagarai. Instead of Chuku, not anyway, I say, we are a very Chuka Chuku Bagarai, may I Jacuzi father, more Jaculu Bishop, or Jaculu the same Pope. Maybe confession, Naka Madi, like a human being. If I can deny any Catholic and Nazi, and when a Catholic of Africa, we're Catholic of Ndocha, because to my own understanding, you have one umbrella. Because when you're in the first correction, second correction, all one at the same Vatican City, open up with a Catholic in Africa, or Catholic in Nigeria. And you were doing with the Vatican City, with it, other side also Quado on a chat, a develop, other side the Obi Road, a develop, other side the road, a develop. Yeah, that's number they will offer a name with the room. Still, a government Josie, they develop Vatican City room. But a small London, a small city. Then Pope Kuzio, na like it. And they couldn't naba room. Pope Kuzio, na like it. They against our Igbo traditional belief. Baro. It's a belief, because nobody could go. Oh, it's going to hear Pope put the mumma. I'm not M1 walking. Hano Kana wine. Hana, it's in a book who them my wine. Hano, what I did. Hana will go back and eat it. There.